Okay, good afternoon. It's 5:25 p.m. on Wednesday, October. Oh, I don't know, you guys. 2025. It's the Clark the Shark Venkman show, baby, all over America. And I saw Fat Ghost earlier, but to be honest and frank, it's been a slow day for ghosts. Whoa! Holy shit! Nothing all day, and then he appears. Oh, look at them! Wow, they're acting. They've had coffee in their. Whoa! He's holding a little baby, and he's saying in my mind, the baby carriage. Wow.